Hey everyone, here is our math problem for today. Let's say we are given these three congruent unit circles enclosed by this rectangle. We would like to find what is the area of the enclosing rectangle. You can pause the video and try to solve this problem first. Now let's solve this problem together. Let's recall that when you have two tangent circles, when you connect their two centers, you'll form this straight line that will pass through the point of tangency. In other words, the two centers and the point of tangency of the two circles are collinear, which means that if you now connect this line segment here, will form straight line segment composed of the two diameters. So we have here 1 centimeter for this radius and another 1 centimeter for the other radius, forming this diameter, the same with the other circle. So this means that the length of the rectangle is 4 centimeters. And we know that to find the area of a rectangle, we use the formula length times width. We know the length, we want to know what is the width. Let's draw the radius here, and that is also 1 centimeter. Let's also draw this radius here, and that is also 1 centimeter. We do not know what is the measure of this gap represented by the red line segment, so let's use the variable x centimeters for the length of this red line segment. So how can we find its length? Let's transfer that here. Now let's connect this center and this other center of the two circles, and let's form this right triangle. What do we know about this right triangle? Again, using the same concept, if we connect the two centers of these tangent circles, the point of tangency and the two centers are collinear, and this part here is one of the radii, this part here is also a radius, and so we can now form this red right triangle with a hypotenuse of 2 centimeters and one of the legs measure 1 centimeter. Using the Pythagorean formula, we can compute for the remaining leg. So that is the square of x plus the square of 1 centimeter equals the square of the hypotenuse with a length of 2 units. Simplifying, we have x squared plus 1 equals 4, and subtracting 1 from both sides to get x squared equals 3. Here, x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3, and since x represents the length of a line segment, we just take the positive root of 3. So, the measure now of this red line segment is square root of 3, giving us now the measure of this side as 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus square root of 3. So, to find out the area of the rectangle, area equals length times width. The length is 4 units, the width is 1 plus 1 or 2 centimeters plus square root of 3. Distributing 4 to the binomial, we arrive at area equals 8 plus 4 square root of 3 square centimeters, which is approximately equal to 14.93 square centimeters. And this is now the area of this rectangle.